What's up, Prealgebra students? This is lesson 34. Our objective is, how do you subtract integers? The answer is, you add the opposites. Good, lesson done. Moving on. Good luck on your homework. Okay, so that is the short answer. You add the opposites. But let's just talk real quick about what the opposites are and expand upon this a little bit. The opposite of 3 is negative 3. The opposite of 4 is negative 4. The opposite of 2/5 is negative 2/5. The opposite of negative 7 is 7. The opposite of negative 1/3 is 1/3. It's also key to note that 0 does not have an opposite, because we're just talking about on the opposite side of 0, so 0 doesn't have an opposite side. So let's try a few of these. So we're just saying negative 3 minus 2. What we're going to do is we're going to say that negative 3 plus the opposite of 2. The opposite of 2 is negative 2. And now we're going to go back and apply our principles that we already learned about adding integers. Well, those have the same sign, so I'm just going to add them. 3 plus 2 is 5. And I'm going to keep the sign of those. Those are both negatives. It's going to be negative 5. Part B, I have negative 3 minus, I'm going to change it to a plus, the opposite of negative 2, which is 2. So these have different signs, so I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then I'm going to keep the sign of the bigger one. 3 is bigger than 2, so the answer is going to be negative 1. Couple more. 4 minus 3. So it's going to be like saying 4 plus the opposite of 3. And of course, this might be easier, just think 4 minus 3 is literally just 1. We can say 4 minus 3, those are different signs. So I'm going to subtract. What's 4 minus 3? 1. Keep the sign of the bigger one, which is 4, so this is going to come out to be 1. Okay? 4 minus a minus 3 means 4 plus the opposite of 3. Sorry, the opposite of negative 3, which is 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Feel free to watch that again, over and over and over again if you want. Listen to the awesome sound of my voice, or the not awesome sound of my voice, whichever the case may be for you. Your homework is on page 219. You're doing the practice set, all the 33s, all the 32s, and 12 more of your choice. Good luck. You're going to do awesome.